Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the main 3 steps of drawing a realistic eye. The main 3 things are outlines, base layer and detailing. Before getting into that, let me show you the materials I have used for this drawing. I have used an HB, a 2B and an 8B pencil. You don't need any other grades, you just need this. Brand doesn't matter. Then a blending brush for blending, or a paper stump, or even a tissue paper or a cotton bud. Then you need an highlighting material like a mono-zero eraser or a white gel pen. If you don't have this, just use an indelible eraser or a normal eraser. That's it. Let's get started. Friends, the first thing is outlines. Outlines are most important in realism, and for the eye you are just going to need a rectangle and you are going to form an eye within it. It could be on any direction, but the rectangle is constant. You want to see the shape of an eye within a geometrical shape like circle or any other thing like that. If you are going to draw the iris, just remember a circle. It is a circle and you are going to change the shape a little bit different than our original circle. So that's it. I hope you got the point. And then for the hands, just do the strokes and techniques. I have already posted a tutorial on how to draw eyebrows, so if you haven't checked that, the link will be in description. Go and check it. Friends, as I said, the outlines are one of the most important things in realism. You could be good at shading, but if your outline lacks, then your drawing will look like a caricature, not like a realism thing. I don't saying that caricature is bad, but if you want to draw realism, you don't want your drawing to look as a caricature, right? So just work on your outlines. It is very important than shading. Once you are done with the outline, just erase all other lines which you have drawn, and that's it. There we go, you have your outline. Then let me do the same thing for the second, so you can see the progress of the things. I'm doing the outlines, and here the outline which we have drawn. Then grab your HB pencil or the lightest grade you have, then start shading the whole area other than the highlighted parts. I'll say this on each and every time when I'm making a tutorial on graphite. Just leave the space for the areas which is highlighted in the reference image. If you want to do realism artworks, just have a reference picture. That is very much important to grab all those details from those pictures. Just shade on all the areas other than the highlighted parts. You don't need to worry much because this is a very light layer, we can erase it off later, so don't worry about that. Just shade randomly, but your shading want to be so soft because we are going to add much more layers to it. If you are ruining the paper texture, then it will not took up much more graphite to it, so your shading will not be so clear or so soft or so even. So just do your shading so softly and gently. Don't press too hard. If you want to darken it up with the same pencil, just do another layer, not pressing it too hard. Okay? Then friends, grab your brush or paper stump, just blend the whole area, and that's it. We are done with the first layer. That is the base layer. Then let me do all the 2 steps we have done so far in the third area, because as I said, I just want to show the whole thing to you and the 3 steps. As you can see, I'm just doing the base layer again. There we go friends, I'm just blending with a paper stump now because just for precision. If you want to do a precise blending, you want to use a paper stump. Then friends, grab your 2B pencil and start darkening the areas which you want it to be darker. It's very simple as it seems, and as you are hearing that, just darken the areas which you want to be darker, or which is meant to be darker than the reference image. Friends, you need that higher grade pencil only for adding some contrast to the eyes and for drawing the eyelashes and the eyebrows. You don't want to use in any other places, and yeah, of course you are going to use that darker grade pencil in the iris and the pupil. So yeah. So friends, in my previous video I have shown how to draw hairs, and if you haven't seen that tutorial, that video's links also will be in description. And yeah friends, please check it out if you haven't already. Friends, by now you can see I'm just darkening the sides of the iris and the pupil with an 8B pencil, and then I'm just darkening the eyelashes, and right now I'm going to draw the eyelashes, and now I'm darkening the eyelid. So it is just up to you and up to your reference image. You want to observe your reference image carefully before drawing it, because the values want to be correct on each areas. Just see three things while shading: the lightest areas and the midtones, or then the darker areas. That's it. You want to go to each place gradually. You should not have a harsh shadow until the reference image have that. So it is so common thing, you will all know it, but just invest your knowledge into it, because without investing your knowledge into something, you can't do a better work at that thing. Just think of all these things before drawing it. Planning is very much in drawing realism artworks or any other artworks. Friends, now I'm just adding the texture to the eye. You might seen that. Friends, here I actually lost a clip, sorry for that, but I hope you know how to draw eyelashes and eyebrows. If you don't know that, no worries, I have already made a tutorial how to draw eyebrows. Just check it out, the link is in description. Then now I'm using a white gel pen for adding the highlights. Don't use it much, just use it for the necessary purposes, like adding too harsh highlight like that. Actually this picture might be taken in a well lighted area, like they use that umbrellas for diffusing the light, so you can have the catch light over there. That's it friends, so this is the tutorial, and I hope you have learned something new here, and if so, and if you try this, I'd love to see that. Please tag me on Instagram or Twitter, or send it to me on Telegram. I'll be so happy to see that. And friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you get a notification for my every videos. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you in the next video.